This is a smokeless moxa. So what I'm gonna do is gonna be a treatment in moxa. Okay. So what you gotta do, you gotta put the stick in the fire, like you see it right now, and you see it has to be all of it red in the tip of the moxa. All right. So whenever you feel like it's too much, you can lower the flame. What you're gonna do, you can keep blowing. You see the stick is not burning evenly, so you gotta go ahead and make sure that you burn it evenly in order for you to avoid any any burns. Okay, so what you do after that, you have the smokeless moxa like this, what you gotta do is turn off the fire. You're gonna turn off the fire and blow it. Blow some air on it. Until it burns evenly in the entire tip. After they get the entire tip like that, it's not even quite yet completely. You gotta go ahead and put your little finger close to the skin like you see right now, and what you're gonna do is use your fingers as a marker. That way you don't get burn your skin, because if you get it too close you can get burned really quick. Moxa is very dangerous, but it is very good for so many ailments. Like you see, I put it in my belly button, and that's what you're supposed to be doing.